How to customize the experience of the transaction windows in AAAPOS RetailManager. The Transaction Windows tab allows you to select options that apply to the look and operation of your transaction windows. These windows include sales, goods received, returned goods, quote converter, purchase orders, lay-by payments and sales order payments. These options do not apply to the debtor payments transaction window. The Transaction Windows tab is divided into several groups of options. Skip fields, hide fields, touchscreen, display the following quantities, quantity field, identical items. The Skip Fields group contains options that allow you to nominate fields to be skipped when you use the tab, or enter key to move between fields in RetailManager. This will help you to speed up the process of transactions if you don't use these fields. Please note, you can still select these fields using your mouse, Shift+Tab, or F12 to go back to the field. Select Skip Discount to skip the discount field in transaction windows. Select Skip Freight to skip the freight field in the goods received and goods returned transaction windows. Select Skip Sell Price to skip the sell price field in transaction windows. The Hide Fields group contains options that enable you to hide fields in transaction windows. This will hide information that you do not want to display. Select Hide Barcode, Categories, and Tax Code to hide these columns in transaction windows. The Touchscreen group contains one option, Enable Touch Screens. If this option is selected, touch screen layouts will be displayed when subsequent windows are opened in RetailManager. Display the following quantities group contains options that enable you to display quantities of items in stock, on lay-by and sales order. Select Stock, Lay-by, and Sales Order to display the quantity of an item you have in stock, on lay-by, and sales order in the description field of transaction windows. The Quantity field group contains one option, Display Sum of Quantity. If this option is selected, then the sum of items displayed in the entered items list of a transaction window appears in the Quantity field. Please note that weighted items and fractional quantity items are counted as single items. The Identical Items group contains one option, one display line per item. If this option is selected, you are restricted to a single line description for each item. If you enter or scan a product that already exists in the list, the product item will be added to the existing product in the list and the quantity will be updated with newly entered product. This is ideal for situations like a mini market checkout, where you are scanning multiple items that are the same. The benefit with this option is also shortening the length of the receipt printout by not printing out individual duplicate product items. Please note, if any part of the pricing such as the selling price or tax code differs from an existing product that is already in the list, a new line item will be added to the list of product items.